Hello everyone. So here we will start our chapter 10, multiplications and factors. So here multiplication and factors. So first bit, take the correct answer. So first question is take the multiples of 2. So what are the multiples of 2 means tables of 2. So what are they? 2 table, 2 is there, 6 is there, 7 is not there, 8 is there, 9 is not there and 10 is there. So these are the multiples of 2. Next, take the multiples of 5. So 5 is there, 14 not there, 15 is there, 17 not there, 20 is there and 30 is there. So these are the terms we are having in 5. So these are the multiples of 5. Next, take the multiples of 10. So 10 is there, 14 not there, 20 it's there, 30 it's there, 45 not there, 55 not there. So these are the multiples of 10. So next, B bit, write 3 multiples of. Means here the table of 3 you have to write only 3 multiples, that is any 3. They didn't ask any first 3 or last 3, they asked any 3. You can write any one. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So these are the 3 multiples of, means 3 table we have to get these things. Next 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 6 3s are 18. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. These are the 3 multiples of the 3, 4, 6 and 7. Next question, look at the following numbers and write the multiples of 3 and 6. Also find the common multiple. So here, see, what are the multiples of 3? Just find out 3, 6. See, here some numbers are given 1 to 20. From that we have to find out. So 9, 12, 15, 18. So before 20, 18 are there. Next, multiples of 6. What are the multiples of 6? That is 6, 12, 18. Only these 3. So now what they are asking? Common multiples of 3 and 6. So what are the common things? 6, both are common. 12 is there and 18 is there. So what are the 3 numbers that are common? 6, 12 and 18. So in this multiples of 3 and 6, common multiples are 6, 12 and 18. These 3 are the common multiples. Next one, fourth bit. Write true or false. So here's listen. First question, 27 is multiple of 5. Is it multiple of 5? No, obviously 5 table there is no 27. So it's a false statement, right? False. Next, second one, 30 is multiple of 3. Is it? Yes, 3 tens are 30. So it's a true statement. 50 is multiple of 4. No, because 50 is not there in the table of 4. Next, 49 is multiple of 7. Yes, 7 sevens are 49. So it's a true. Next, 63 is a multiple of 8. No, there is no 63. So false. Then 72 is multiple of 9. Yes, it's a multiple of 9. So first one false, second one true, third one false, fourth one true, fifth one false and sixth one true. So by this we have completed our D bit. Next E bit, fill in the blank. Listen carefully. When 2 or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called. For example, see here multiplying with 2 numbers. Na? So what is called? That is product. If you multiply any number, 2 or 3 numbers, the result is called the product. Each of the number being multiplied is called the dash of the product. For example, 2 into 3. 2 and 3, what we call it as a? Call it as a factors. Dash is the factor of all numbers. Obviously, 1 is the factor of every number. A number is factor of itself. Yes, number. For example, 2 is a factor of 2. 3 is a factor of 3. Number itself. A number itself is the dash factor of itself. Means greatest factor. Next, every number has at least how many factors? At least 2 factors. The number 1 and itself. Then other numbers are there. Okay. Now we have completed E bit. Now F bit. Find the factor of the following using multiplications. So here see the 10 question is there. Then the first question is 10. So here what they are saying that you have to find the factors by using the multiplication. So 10, where in which table we get 10? Yes, obviously 1 tens are 10. Here it's 1 is the number factor of every number, and in which table 2 fives are 10 and other number, yes, 5 twos are 10 and 10 ones are 10. So by this how many are we are getting the factors? The factors of 10 are, what are the factors? 1 table, 2 table, 5 table and 10 table. Only these 4. Is it? The number itself and 1 and the 2 and 5 are the factors. Same like that, next question I will take. Let's take 44. In that only, find the factor 44. So see, 44, where it comes 44? 1, 44 is a 44. In one table, 1 is factor and itself. Then 2, 22 is a 44. Is it? Yes. Then again, 11, 4 is a 44. Yes, it's. Then 22 2s are, 44 1s are and 4 11s are. These things are the factors. So, what are the factors of 44? That is, factors of 44 are 1, 2, 4, 11, 22 and 44. So, these are the factors of number 44. Remaining you have to do by yourself in this same manner. Clear? So, by this we have completed our chapter 10 multiplications and factors. Multiplications means just table, and the multiplication what we are taking the number, for example 2 3s up, 2 and 3 are called the factors. So like that we have find out the factors also. I hope it's clear to you.